Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Victoria Speaks. Today's topic is wait on the Lord. No matter what you are going through in life, I want to encourage you to wait on the Lord. To wait means to tarry. To wait means to delay, to be calm, or stay silent. To wait also means to stay in one place until something happens. The best thing you can do for yourself is to wait on the Lord. Sometimes we have tried a lot of things in the midst of our tribulation. But the more we try, the more we fail. But there's a word for you this morning from Isaiah 40 verse 31. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. When you wait upon the Lord, you gain back your strength. When you wait upon the Lord, it makes you to stay focused and relax. When you wait on the Lord, it takes away agitation, frustration, and confusion. God says we should wait on Him, and He will renew our strength. Sometimes we feel tired, discouraged in the midst of difficulties. But today, there's hope for you. In the process of you waiting, you need to engage in the habit of prayer. You don't just wait doing nothing. An idle mind is the devil workshop, you know. So when you are waiting, you are not idle. It means you are praying, interceding. In the process of your waiting, it means that you are in the service of the Lord, praising the Lord. In the place of your waiting is a time where you engage yourself in studying of the Word of God. Your waiting time is your trying time. Your waiting time is never forever. Remember, I say, waiting means delay. Delay is not denial. When you are waiting in the Lord, it helps you to develop your faith in God. I want to make you to understand, Zachariah and Elizabeth were barren for a long time. But in their time of waiting, they were engaged in the service of the Lord, in the temple, serving the Lord, in the church, in the house of the Lord. What are you doing in your time of waiting? Your time of waiting is a time to serve the Lord. It's a time to engage in things that are fruitful. When you are waiting, it's the time you do things that you love, that you enjoy, something that will help you to develop and to help you to achieve your purpose in life. In the place of service for Zachariah and Elizabeth, the Lord met with them. It is in the place of their service the Lord blessed them. When you wait in the Lord and you are engaged in the service of the Lord will remember you. The Lord will meet with you. The Lord will bless you. He said, those that wait on the Lord shall not be put to shame. If you wait in the Lord, trusting God, the Lord will turn your situation. He will change your circumstances. He has the power to do anything and everything. This morning, I have come with the good news to encourage you. No matter what you are waiting for, no matter how long you have been waiting, just to wait and engage yourself in things that are profitable. Engage yourself in things that are of good reports. Engage yourself especially in the place of prayer. Prayer develops your faith. In the place of prayer, your strength is renewed. Those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Are you weak? Are you discouraged? Do you want to give up? Today, I have come to say no. Don't give up. Stand strong. Wait on him. Trust in the Lord. Today, as you wait on the Lord, in engaging yourself in things that are profitable, your circumstances will change. Your life will never be the same again. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe. Share this video to someone. Be a blessing to somebody today. God bless you. Stay safe until I come your way again. Bye.